Hey guys, it's Ahad Ali CPA back today with tax savings tips for people who drive Uber and Lyft as rideshare drivers. This is a big profession, I would say. There's a big pool, big group of workers that do this, especially in big cities like New York, LA, Miami. So I want to talk about this. I want to talk about you guys. I want to talk to you guys and tell you that what you should be writing off. And actually, there's things which you shouldn't be writing off. So there's not everything to write off. And when it comes to rideshare drivers, I mean, it's people's full-time job. And so if you're not doing your taxes right, then you're missing out. You are missing out on savings. You are paying too much. So let's go over what are things that you cannot write off before we get into what you can. Because the cannot list is very small. There's one main thing. It's fines and penalties and summons. These are things you cannot write off. So if you get a ticket, a fine for being a red light or speeding, these are not write-offs. You know why? Because the IRS does not want to reward you for breaking the law, right? There is no reward for breaking the law, even from the IRS. Keep that in mind, because many times I see drivers, I got a parking ticket, I got a red light ticket, a speeding ticket, can I write it off? No, you cannot. So that's all. I have to just put that out there. Now, when you can write off, almost of them, common ones, you use your vehicle. Now with vehicles, again, if you don't use that vehicle, if you only have one vehicle and you have a family, you're probably not, maybe 90, you're using that vehicle probably 90% of the time, of the time of work, maybe 5-10%. So keep that in mind. You don't want to write off everything, but you can write off the gas while you're working, full gas, full tolls. The commission these companies charge you, some charge 20-30%. Fees, commissions that they charge you. If you have to renew your driver license to work, you can write that off. Registration fees for your car, you can write that off. Repair, maintenance, that's all a write-off. Maybe you have to pay a lawyer to fight your ticket. You can't write off the ticket, but you can write off the lawyer fee, right? You got your accountant that's filing your taxes. Professional fees, a big one. Write that off. You may buy water for your passengers in the car, gum, a USB charger, something like a holder. Like I see like some drivers, like you walk into a car, like wow, they have it's like it's super nice. They got everything for you. Those things that you're buying to enhance the experience of your passengers, all 100% write off. Now when it comes to meals, clothing, that's a gray area. You cannot generally clothing that you're wearing, unless you're wearing like clothing that has your company's logo on it. It's a special uniform. But if generally you're wearing like a t-shirt and jeans that you wear on a regular day, that is not a write-off. So be careful with that. A lot of people write off clothing that is not. Same with meals. And if you're gonna have to have a meal anyway, right? You just have lunch. You're gonna have to have lunch whether you're working or not. So the IRS doesn't allow that. But maybe now, if you go to lunch with a passenger, I don't know, like it doesn't really happen. But if it does, then that's a write-off, and you're actually conducting some business while you're having that meal. So everything related to your car, some non-car, some home office. If you come from work and you have to, run your calculations, you have to work on your books a little bit, that's a write-off. Subscription services for mileage, subscription for bookkeeping software, those are all write-offs for you as a rideshare driver. Please take advantage of it. Like tires, like I said, any work that you're doing to your car, those are all going to be right up. Your insurance, monthly insurance, that's like a given. These are things, but then like I said, the months, I mentioned some things that are not common. I mentioned some things that you shouldn't write off that are typically not considered write-offs. And I hope you guys can apply these kind of write-offs on your taxes, those who are rideshare drivers. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Please share this, friends and family. Share with, if you're not a rideshare driver, if you know somebody who is, share this video with them. I think they'll find this helpful. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. If you're already not subscribed to our channel or you're not following this page, please do so. give it a like, and until the next video.